In a beautiful town, there lived a kind and lovely girl named Lina. She had a younger brother named Rafi and an elder sister named Mira. Every morning, they went to the park for a walk with their father. Lina loved the fresh air and green trees, but one thing always made her sad. She saw people throwing wrappers, plastic bottles, and paper on the ground. They didn't use the trash bins. Lina felt upset and asked her father, "Why do people throw garbage in the park?" Her father replied, "It is because of a lack of awareness. People don't know that keeping the place clean is good for them and for society." That night, Lina couldn't stop thinking about it. She wanted to do something. She made a decision. The next morning, when they reached the park, Lina and Rafi brought 2 big bags. They started picking up the trash. They collected the wrappers, bottles, and papers and put them in the dustbins. Mira helped too by holding the bags and encouraging them. Some people looked at them, but they didn't say anything. The next day, Lina and Rafi did the same. Slowly, a few people began to notice. After a few more days, a kind old man joined them. Later, a young woman and 2 kids helped too. Every day, more people started collecting trash and throwing it in the dustbins. Within 2 weeks, the park started looking cleaner. In 1 month, the park looked green, fresh, and beautiful. With time, people understood the importance of keeping the park clean. Now, no one throws garbage in the park. Everyone knows how important cleanliness is. We should all do this in our lives, keep our streets, parks, and cities clean. Small actions can bring big changes. Always keep your surroundings clean.